to shut up and shoot.
Hi, here we go.
Straight Shooter Coffee, the official coffee of Therapy Range.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Therapy Range. It's been a long freaking time since I got out to get some range therapy in, and I thought I'd bring you guys all along with me. Today, I've got something new to bring out. Yeah, it's new. But Al, as you can see from the thumbnail, oh boy. Well, that right there looks like a integrally suppressed AR-15, chambered in 5.56, made by HM Defense. But it's not. This is the HM Defense Mono Flash Forward Stealth Upper, chambered in 5.56. Now, these were originally manufactured to be integrally suppressed. If you don't know, HM Defense holds the patent on the monoblock technology, where the gas block is actually milled right into the barrel. So it's all one piece. This is I want to say this is a 10-inch barrel with the with this piece milled into the barrel, which makes it the appropriate 16
That's
inches
so
for
illegal.
the, shut up, Karen. It's not illegal.
That's so illegal.
The original stealth model of this was set up to be integrally suppressed. It came with the baffles and everything in it. This one was set up to be able to do a Form 1 on, to where you could have a really cool looking AR-15 with the flash forward flash or muzzle brake. Or you could Form 1 it and pop this thing open and drop the baffles down in it and, you know, have the integrally suppressed rifle. It was kind of like the best of both worlds type thing. So I think it's time to shut up and shoot. What do you think?
That's so illegal.
Nobody asked you, Karen. It is most definitely not illegal. Shut up.
You smell like cheese.
She's going to end up catching one in the mouth. She don't leave me alone today. I'm going to suit up and we're going to shoot this thing. I'm going to break out the body armor and we're going to have some fun. Maybe a montage is in order, eh?
Feel like it's gone. Thinking it's too little and it's too late. Probably wrong. I guess if you're important, people will wait. I can feel the world cover my eyes. You ain't so strong. Not hard to see through that disguise. Zip it all up, you're on top of
I hope you guys enjoyed that little montage. That was a lot of fun. But this sucker got super hot, super quick. After about 90 rounds to it, it was definitely hot enough to go and get some gloves to protect the old digits. Yeah. I'm gonna run some more of these up drills. We're gonna fire 2 shots, reload, fire 2 more shots. The video guy over here seems to think that he can do it better than me. He's gonna keep running his mouth. He's gonna find out the hard way that the reason that you practice is because this shit is harder than it looks. Like I said. The fuck? It helps to close the bolt. No. .642, 642. I'm gonna try it a couple more times, and then we're gonna let the film guy over here that thinks he knows so much give it a try. Let's close the bolt this time. Here, why don't you work the buzzer? That way I can keep my hands on the gun. No, the one on the side. What was the time?
606.
606, that's better. All right, I'm ready. All right, still hitting a dead trigger. Interesting. I wonder what the deal was with that. All right, I'm ready. Why am I still hitting a dead trigger? Oh, there's the reset. Okay. There's a gun malfunction. All right, we'll try this again. All right, I'm ready.
.847.
Yeah, that was pretty slow. It's actually quite difficult to do this when you're used to having a sling on the weapon, because then you get to actually let the weight of the weapon hang on the sling. The sun's in my eyes. I'm sweating out here. It's a little chilly today. I've got more excuses. Do I need to keep coming with them? No, actually, the best excuse that I've got is that's why you need to train, is because you see the problems that I'm having here. Just, you know, when you apply just that little bit of pressure from the timer, starts making things go all wonky, man. You're making mistakes. Things aren't working right. You're forgetting to chamber the damn round, for Christ's sakes. Let's load up some more. We'll give it another round, and then we'll let Shithead try.
Nobody
What do you
gives a
guys
shit.
think?
Would you
Karen,
like Paul?
bitch, I said shut up. Yeah, bitch makes me need therapy.
.651.
That's still pretty damn slow. I'd love to get this down to like 3 seconds. All right, when you're ready.
599.
That's a little bit. That's a second better. Still too slow. Oh, is that right, Karen? Bitch.
Call me cocksucker.
I think you got her, buddy.
Fuck you, Karen.
You got her, bro.
You shoot like shit.
I can't stand that woman. All right, let's see if we can get one down under 5 seconds. I'd love to see in like 458, 458, something like that. That ain't gonna happen. Botch that up. What was that, 10 seconds?
877.
All right. And that's exactly why I keep saying train. Let's load a couple mags up and let Smartass here see if he can do it any better. Stand by.
You got the glove all messed up on me, dog.
Well, I'm a left-handed shooter, dog.
All right, so what am I doing?
So you're going to come up, switch the safety off, fire 2 shots, reload, fire 2 shots, turn the safety on, drop your mag, reload, disengage the safety, and fire 2 more shots. What? That's what I was doing. Oh, now you want to talk shit because it's like not as easy when you're standing there holding the rifle, eh?
So you're gonna hit the button. I'm gonna come up, 2 shots on target, drop the mag, reload,
And work your safety at the same time.
Am I gonna put the safety on after I drop the mag?
Absolutely.
So I'm gonna bang bang, safety, drop mag, switch mags, put the mag back in, switch it off, safety, drop the bolt, and then 2 more bullets on target.
Drop the bolt and then the safety. Safety is the first thing and the last thing. All right, you ready?
Oh shit.
All right, on the buzzer.
Fuck.
Oh, what happened? Don't waste those shots. Put that safety back on.
I
Don't
give
shoot
up.
your dick off.
My finger's off the trigger. Alright.
Well, that was like a long ass time. All right, get you another mag in. And we'll try this again, because that was like 20, that's like 25 seconds. What's wrong? You can't handle the gloves?
The glove's making it difficult because the finger hole is on the wrong side for me.
All right, load one up. There you go. Drop your bolt. Safety on.
Indeed.
All right, on the buzzer.
Fuck.
10-8-5. I thought you said you could do that faster than me. The only thing you can do faster than me is come.
Yeah, that's because you're pushing 50, old man.
That's a good thing. All right, load it up. Let's try it again. So stop worrying about trying to be how fast you can be and just get through the drill and do it correctly.
I only missed 1 shot out of those 4 shots.
Right. But
We want to make it to where I don't miss any shots.
and I want you to operate the weapon properly. I want you to remember to use the safety between mag loads. All right, shooter ready.
Shooter's ready.
Safety.
Missed both.
8-3-1, but you totally missed your last 2 shots. All right,
I
load
was
it
going
up.
for
Let's do it
speed and not
again.
accuracy.
This is actually more fun than doing it myself, honestly. Watching you suck at it makes me feel a hell of a lot better.
That's why we train, guys. That's why we train. Cocksucker.
You found someone who sucks more than you do. Good for you, Chubby.
All right, shooter ready.
Ready.
All right, we'll start over. Shooter ready.
Ready now.
.658, not bad at all.
And I didn't miss. And I made sure to flip the safety back on.
Outstanding. I guess we got, is those 2 mags empty?
This one has bullets, but the rest are empty.
My buddy Dear Sarge, Cav Cop, and Always Survive are looking for more subscribers for their channels. They're providing good content. You should go check them out. It's worth the effort. The HM Defense Mono Flash Forward AR-15. I got it sighted in with this Vortec. I forget the brand of the model of the Vortec, but I got that on there. We got it zeroed in, so it's an absolute nail driver. Got the Monstrum tactical light on there, and we're gonna run a couple of more of these up drills just for shits and giggles, because I got lots of ammo right now, and why the fuck not?
Because that gun is illegal.
Shut up, Karen. I thought I finished you off.
Oh.
All right, when you're ready.
.672.
672?
6.72, you commie cocksucker.
Oh, Sarge is going to end up filing a copyright claim against you for stealing his commie cocksucker bit so much.
Sounds like a commie cocksucker.
All right, shooters ready.
.49.
That's not too bad. All right, guys, I think we've burned through enough ammo today. HM Defense, Mono Flash Forward, very cool upper. I guess I probably already mentioned that we do have it on a Radical Firearms lower. I don't have an open HM Defense lower right now. I do own multiple HM Defense rifles though, and what I can say is that they're locally made. They're definitely high quality firearms. They're a happy medium between like a lower end Anderson or a PSA versus a high end Daniel Defense. You know, like this rifle right here would come in right around $1,100-1,200 bucks. Very quality weapon for the price point. You can deck it out with whatever bells and whistles you want to. This one, like I said, it's just got a cheap lower on it, nothing special. Ambi safety with a Vortex optic on it. I haven't even put any iron sights on it yet. This just came into my life here recently. So huge shout out to Clay and all the guys over at HM Defense for all the good stuff that they're doing. They're supplying rifles to places all over the world to defend freedom with. So big shout out to all them guys over there at HM Defense. And for everybody else, be sure to live your life to the fullest, because anything less is an injustice to yourself and every single person around you. I'm Paul Riley. Be sure to check out the affiliate links. There's a whole bunch of them. And Patriot Shit Outfitters, of course. That's my website. I sure would appreciate it if you guys would go check it out. Until next time, stay free, America.
It's time to shut up and shoot. All right, here we go.